Well, good morning, everybody. Good morning. We had a bit of a rude awakening this morning. They warned us yesterday that it was going to snow sometime last night or today. And around midnight, it just started snowing and coming down, and it's been snowing ever since. And we got well over a foot of snow out there. Oh, it's crazy, crazy. I'll show you in a second, but here's little angel, little angel. Now, I just finished picking all the snowballs off her that were clumped on her, in her hair, on her legs, everywhere, just everywhere, right up under her belly and everything, under her butt, right up under her neck and everything. She was covered, and I pulled them all off. And this is a snowball I got. It's half the size of her. That's nuts, eh? And now, even though she's in a warm environment, you got to get all those snowballs off because they're big enough they could actually give her like frostbite or something, and chill her down and make her sick, because it takes forever to melt. So you just got to pull them all off. And I just pulled them onto the bed and then rolled them up into a snowball. Wow, that's crazy, eh? That is crazy. So that's our situation today. I got to throw this out of here before it melts on my bed. But here, I will show you what we got out there. I've already cleaned off my deck. I could barely open my door because of the snow pile up, but I got a cedar shake and I scooped all the snow off my deck. But basically, this is what it looks like now. This is what it looks like. Okay. There's my deck. Scooped it off. Scooped everything off the steps there. Scooped out a big opening there so that the dogs can go to the bathroom out here if they don't want to run through the snow. But Angel went running way off over there in those tracks and just got balled up with snow. But she had to go. She had to go. She was gonna poop on me while I was sitting on the bed, and I said, no, you go out there, you go out. I was hoping she'd just do it right here, but I don't know, dogs are silly, I guess. But I'm gonna try and there, I'm in the tracks of the four-wheel drive here. Somebody drove through here in a four-wheel drive and left tracks, so I'm standing in that. But this is crazy, eh? Crazy weather. Look at this. Wow, we are snowed in. We are snowed in. I'm hoping I'm going to get some help from somebody to get food and stuff because we're going to run out at some point. But that's crazy. And look at the roads. It is quiet around here. There's nobody going around. Nobody except four-wheel drives. It's quiet as heck, and once in a while the snowplows go back and forth. But the road is just still piling up. They can't clear it off. Crazy, eh? This is nuts. I was not expecting this at all. They warned us this was going to happen. They absolutely warned us, said it's going to happen. I thought, no, it's not going to happen. Not going to happen. Not this year. Not this year. This is number 6 now. If this keeps up, this will be 6 years in a row. We got crazy winters. Crazy. So here we go. We got a couple people coming and going. That guy's got a four-wheel drive. And of course, the big truck's got to get through anyway. So, wow, this is nuts. This is just crazy, man. I was not looking forward to this, not expecting it. And, yeah, I don't like being stuck where I can't go anywhere. And I can't go anywhere in that truck without four-wheel drive and snow tires. Crazy, crazy. Wow, nuts. Anyway, I'm going to go back in. I got some coffee, hot coffee sitting there. Go back in. I actually ran out of diesel and a diesel heater, so in a bit, before it gets too chilled, I am going to I got to go fill up the diesel tank with more diesel. Oh boy, so this is crazy. This is absolutely nuts. Absolutely nuts. Oh my God, I'm not looking forward to this at all. I hope it warms right up and melts really quickly and we don't have any more of this. That's the winter I like around here. Yeah, so anyway. Oh, I forgot to throw the snowball out. Okay, yeah. Angel's shivering, so I'm going to throw a towel around her and wrap her up and get her warm. So we'll talk to you soon. Ciao. Look at this, my wheelbarrow is overflowing with snow. It is overflowing. That's how much snow we got here. This is nuts. And I need that wheelbarrow to put my battery and battery charger in to wheel it over to the AC over there so I can plug it in and get my battery charged up. So this is going to be a bit of a challenge wheeling that sucker around. Oh, great. I'm going inside and having a coffee. Hello, girls. You feeling better now, Angel? Got all that snowballs off you, all those big, hefty snowballs off you. And you're hunkered down up there, are you, baby? Baby? Why aren't you playing with your toys? Okay, I'm making coffee. Oh, boy, having a coffee. Oh, great, 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 great. How you doing, little girl? How you doing, huh? You warmer now? Still a little wet, but she's warm. Wow, so last night, around 3 o'clock or 4 o'clock in the morning, I don't know, I didn't check. I ran out of diesel and the heater just, check your oil, it says. It talks to you, actually. And so it was like just too late. I saw it snowing out there, and it was like, I'm not going to go and dig snow to fill my diesel heater at 3 or 4 in the morning. I'm just not going to do that. Wow, plus it was dark. Well, I guess the snow would brighten everything up. Anyway, I just didn't do that. So what I did was I just rolled over and cocooned myself into my blankets here. I got extra blankets now. And the girls crawled under the blankets with me, and like little hot water bottles, and kept me warm. And we just stayed like that pretty much all night until like it was about 7:30 in the morning, I think. I woke up and I was feeling a little bit chilled, so I threw the propane stove on for a while. And then after a while, I got up and threw a bunch of cedar shake pieces into the wood stove to just warm the place up a little bit. And that burns out fast. So anyway, so then I just went out and I filled up the diesel heater again. You can hear it running, obviously. Filled it up, got her going again. I got 2 batteries fully charged. So I don't know, you know, and I just came in and it's snowing harder now, even harder now. And if this keeps up, if it doesn't stop, we'll have 2 feet of snow by this evening sometime. I swear. It's a lot of snow coming down. I just, you know, don't get me wrong. I loved the winter when I was young. I think it's beautiful. It's just absolutely a beautiful sight to see snow on the trees and everywhere. And everything's white and beautiful. But I just, you know, it's just too inconvenient. I can't go anywhere. I can't go get groceries and that. I can't take the girls out because they get snowballs all over them, and I gotta rush them in the house right away and remove all the snowballs before they get frostbite or something. It's it's just really inconvenient, and puts a damper on everything. Puts the kibosh on everything. Yeah, right. Yes, it does. Yeah, but they love it no matter what. But they don't realize that if I don't get that snow off them, that they'll actually get frostbite. So yeah, I don't think they realize that. But anyway, yeah, it just slows things down. But I mean, I love it. It's pretty. It's beautiful and that. But when you can't get around, can't go buy groceries, and the dogs can't go out to go to the bathroom, it's crazy, right? Well, we're just going to sit here, hunker down. We got lots of diesel. We got batteries, as long as I can get them over there to plug them in. And, you know, we'll just see what happens. Hopefully this will just go away. It won't last long, and we can get out and about. Right? Okay. Say ciao. Say ciao. Say ciao. You're funny. This diesel heater talks to you. Start heating. And then...
Stop heating. Thanks for using. I wish you a safe journey.
Well, that's a pretty good feature, eh? It tells you what it's doing. It's kind of cool. And Now it's running away here. Doing good, doing good. Here's the little girl. Yeah. Yeah, so anyway, got to get on with more chores now. But the great thing about the snow is that it warmed up to, it's hovering around between 1 and 2 degrees above, and it's warmed up and it's actually not too bad out here. Excellent, eh? What? 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 You was barking. You was barking. So I did have to take both of the girls out to do their business and stuff outside it. Some point they just have to get out. So I took them out. And look at this. Come here, baby. Look at the older, wiser one. The older, wiser one. And the young, foolish one. The young, foolish one that hasn't been around long. Yeah. That compared to that. So baby's good on her own. And I have to rip all the snowballs off Angel again and get rid of them so she doesn't get the frostbite. So yeah, baby's good. Here we go. Come on, Angel. Look at that ball of snow coming off. That one little girl. And baby virtually has nothing on her comparatively. And I still got more to come off there. But that is one big ball of snow already, alright? Crazy, eh? Crazy. Okay, let's do some more. Let's do some more. There we go. Another ball of snow to go with the other ball of snow. And Angel's pretty much done now. She's pretty much done. I found the dog brush works really, really well. Works really well. But baby's pretty much cleaned up all on her own. I'm just going to double check her that. But she thinks, baby thinks this is some kind of toy ball. It's a snowball. It's a snowball. So we're going to toss that outside and just give him a rub down with a towel now. One good thing about when it snows generally is it usually warms up. And since it did, it's above zero now. We got a water tap working here. So that was frozen up for like at least 2 days there with the minus freezing weather. So we got water again. That's a bonus. The sun is now peeking in and out between the clouds now and got a bit of a blue sky. So it's warmed up enough, that's for sure. And it's warmed up so much that the roads are really just wet, and everything is melting out there. So the roads are fine, easy to drive on. It's just getting in and out of the actual snow buildup that's all around us here. If I can get my truck out, I could probably move, but there we are. As you can see, it's relatively sunny out here and it's relatively warm. And the highways are clear, so the girls are going to need food. I got to try and get out of here and go grab them some food. So let's go and check that out, okay? So as you can see, we managed to get out of there. The roads are great. They're just kind of wet, that's all. Just like as if it was raining. But yeah, so we just got to grab some grub and make sure we get back in there again. It should be okay. I think so. I think so. Okay, we got the grub. We got the grub. Now just get back home there and try and see if we can drive back into our spot there. I don't see why not, but we'll see when we get there, right? Okay. Listen to the peanut gallery. Well, here we go. Here we go. Wow, smooth as silk. Well, there we go. We got our secondary battery back in. It's fully charged back in the house now. It's charged up, and right now it's like plus 2 degrees, so it's warmed right up. And we don't have the diesel heater on right now because basically we don't really need it. It's not that cold in here. It's pretty nice, you know, like if I need, I could throw an extra sweater on or something. I don't know. But no, I'm not going to put it on until probably after dinner, like before we go to bed or something, as long as we don't need it. Conserve energy and stuff like that. But it's also over the next week, it's supposed to get warmer and warmer up to +8 and everything over the next week, and start raining in the next few days. And then 4 or 5 days, it might a little bit of sunshine here and there, but it's going to warm up and rain and that, and it won't take long for this snow to actually be all gone, and I'll be glad of that because I hate getting boxed in kind of thing and frozen in kind of thing, snowed in. Yeah, I don't like that. But yeah, so we'll just sit here and have dinner and enjoy ourselves, put the heater on when we need, and just see how the weather turns out in the next few days. All right, so we'll talk to you in the next video, I guess. Yeah, Yeah. Okay, ciao for now. Yes, my little monkey. Yes, my little monkey. Ooh.